Yum! Everyone, gather round. Happy Hoppers! It's time to take attendance.
Attendance. Cool.
So, when I say your name, please show me you are here, and I will put a check by your name in the book.
Oh, cool. Awesome.
Ready, Happy Hoppers?
Ready, Mr. Diggerty.
Here goes. Gigglish?
I'm here.
Stomp, 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 stomp. Stamp.
Whoa.
Whoa.
I'm here, Mr. Diggity.
Chip.
Happy Hopper Tickledy here, Mr. Diggity.
Ah, yes. And who can remember which giggly Happy Hopper is going to take this attendance book to Mr. Badger Fox in the school office?
Me.
Yes?
It's Chip.
Yes, it's brave Pug Pup Chip. Now, would you still like to be the first to do this, Chip? All by yourself?
Yes, Puggy Pleasy, Mr. Diggerty.
Then let's get attendance done. Howie Hyena! Howie.
Huh? Oh, I'm here, Mr. Diggerty.
So, shall I remind you again how to get to the school office, Chip?
Yes, please, Mr. Diggerty.
Okay, so you go along that corridor, you turn right, you go past the library, around the corner, and just after the school gym, you will come to the office. Can you remember the way?
Corridor, right, library, corner, gym, office. I can find my way. Easy squeezy, puggy peasy. I'll just get my potato. Oh, I mean my bag, Mr. Diggity.
Oh, you won't need your bag, Chip.
Oh. I will have to go in my own potato. Stay hidden in there while I'm gone, okay? I'll be back in 3 shakes of a pug's tail.
Ready, Chip?
Yes, Mr. Diggity. Bye.
Bye, Chip.
Oh?
And if you can't find your way, just ask someone.
Okay, Mr. Diggity. Corridor, right, library, corner, gym, office. Corridor, right, library, corner, gym, office. Corridor, right, library, corner, gym, office. Right! I turn right here. Corridor, right, library, corner. Spud! Hey, Spud! Paco! Eva! Hi!
Yes?
Hello. I'm Chip, Spud's little sister. I was just waving at him. Sorry.
Oh, that's okay. Nice to meet you, Chip. Thanks for stopping by. Spud, give your sister a wave.
Hey. Bye. Oh, which way do I go next? Corridor? Turn right? No, left. No, library, gym. Ah!
Yes?
Oh, I'm really sorry. Could you please tell me the way to the school office? I have to take the Happy Hoppers attendance book, and Mr. Diggerty said I should ask for help if I got lost.
Of course. You go past the library, Chip, around the corner, and just after the school gym, you'll come to the office.
Got it! Yes, I remember. Thanks. Corridor right, library corner, gym, office. Corridor right, library corner, gym, office. Here I am. Job done.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Badger Fox. I've brought you the Happy Hoppers attendance book.
Oh, so you have. Thank you, Chip. You're the first of this year's new Happy Hoppers to bring the attendance book to me. Well done. Now, will you be all right finding your way back to the Happy Hoppers homeroom all on your own, Chip?
Yes, I can find my way. Easy squeezy puggy peasy. Watch me go. Bye. Whoa. Wow. Oh. Which way is it from here? I wish I had my potato here with me to help me find my way. Potato! Potato? Is that you? If I need help, I just have to ask. That's what Mr. Diggory said. Excuse me, could you please help me?
Hello. You must be a happy hopper.
Yes, I am. Who are you?
I'm Mrs. Woolley. And who are you?
I'm Chip.
Ah, Spud's little sister.
How do you know Spud?
I know everybody in this school. So, welcome to Rainbow Forest, Chip. And tell me, why aren't you in Mr. Diggory's homeroom right now?
Well, you see, I took the attendance book to the office. And then I saw a gym class and a music class. And then I realized I was lost.
So you're asking me the way. That's very sensible and brave. You deserve a Mrs. Woolley sticker. Now, shall I show you the way to go?
Yes, please.
This way. Ah, but in return, I need you to do a job for me, please, Chip.
Yes, Mrs. Woolley.
Will you oil my wheels, please? They're a bit squeaky. Did you notice?
Mm-hmm.
Here we are. Look, the Happy Hoppers homeroom is at the end of the hall.
Thanks, Mrs. Woolley.
It was nice meeting you, Chip.
Mrs. Woolley? Potato! Potato, what are you doing out here all on your own? You were worried about me? And you came looking for me? Aw, thank you, Potato. Hide in your hoodie, Potato Pal. Quick! Oh, hi. You know what? From now on, I'm not leaving you in my school bag. I'm taking you everywhere I go. We're a team, even at Rainbow Forest School. Chip and her Potato. In my pocket you stay, Potato. My secret snuggly mousy friend. It's Chip.
Oh, Chip, we wondered where you were. Did you deliver the attendance book to Mr. Badger Fox?
Yes, I did, Mr. Diggory. And I did get lost, too. But I was brave and asked the way.
Well, diggledy-done, Chip. Well, who did you ask to show you the way?
First, I asked Spud's teacher. And then I asked somebody called Mrs. Woolley. Mrs. Woolley?
I've just been telling your class friends that Mrs. Woolley is the principal of Rainbow Forest School, Chip. She is in charge of us all. She's a very important person and very nice, too.
Yes! She showed me the way and gave me a sticker.
Wow, Chip. Taking the attendance book to the school office is a big job for a little first-day kindergarten pug.
I know. I did get lost, though, but I asked for help. Twice. No matter how little you are, there's always someone close by to help you on your way at Rainbow Forest School. Isn't there, Potato?
Huggy, well done, Chip. In you get. Ready, pugs? It's shiny and blue. Shiny, shiny blue.
It's got a red light on its roof. Red light on its roof.
It goes
It's got a loud horn. Puggy, Puggy Mobile. It's Papa's Puggy Police Patrol Mobile. Puggy, Puggy Mobile. It's Papa's Puggy Police Patrol Mobile.
On Chip's first day at school.
Yummy!
A special Puggy pumpkin pie to celebrate our little Chip's first happy day at kindergarten.
Thank you, Papa. It was delicious.
And now it's chore time for you, my spuddy pug. Time to clear the dishes away if you want your allowance.
Allowance? I'm going to use my allowance money to buy a sky-high super rocket. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Wow! May I do a chore, please, Mama? I want to have an allowance like Spudge, so I can buy a sky-high super rocket, too.
You're in such a rush to grow up, Chippy Dip. Doing chores and getting an allowance are quite big things for a little pug. I think you need to wait until you're bigger.
But I am bigger. I am big. Not as big as me, Chipolog. It's Rainbow Rita. Mr. and Mrs. Dazzle are back from their holobobs.
Yoo-hoo! Mr. and Mrs. Dazzle! How was your trip?
Hello, pugs! Oh, what a wonderful time we've had in Rainbow Rita.
Mr. Dazzle, Rainbow Rita looks so muddy.
Yes, indeed, little Chip. We've had a very muddy holiday with her. In fact, if Spud is around, maybe he'd like to do a chore for us?
We were wondering, if Spud could give Rainbow Rita one of his good old cleans, so we could see all of her wonderful colors again.
I'll do it. I can clean Rainbow Rita for you, Mr. and Mrs. Dazzle. I'm big enough. Can I, Mama? Pleasey, squeezy, puggy, pleasey. May I do the chore for the Dazzles?
Well... yes. Okay, then. Why not?
I'll make Rainbow Rita razzle-dazzle, Mr. and Mrs. Dazzle. What you doing, Chipster? Huh? Hiding in your hoodie, little mousey. I've just done a chore for the Dazzles, Bud. You've done a chore? Why didn't the Dazzles ask me? You were busy, so... So you took my chore? Mama said I could. But you're not big enough for chores. You're just a little chipsqueak. So, do you want my help? No thanks, Bud. I don't need help. The chore's done. See? I am big enough for chores, big bro. You should take a look. You'll see her not Chipolata. Huh? Spud's right. I am not big enough for chores like this one. I am too short, Potato. That's my big problem. Help. Potato? Potato, what is it? Oh, I get it. Stop and Stamp will help me. That is a big idea for little Potato.
Stop! Stamp! Chip is here!
Hi, Chip! Hi, Chip! Is there water? Yes. Is it messy and muddy? Let's go!
Come straight back, Stomp and Stamp, when I trumpet you.
Rainbow Rita's back to her razzly-dazzly self again. Hey, look, it's a moving van. Huh, someone must be moving into the empty house next to ours. I wonder who our new neighbors will be, Potato.
You're doing a great job there, kids.
Thanks, Mr. Dazzle.
But you do know the roof of Rainbow Rita still isn't clean, right?
The roof? We've got to go. Granny Fan called us. Sorry we can't help you clean the roof, Chip. Spud! Huh? I think I do need your help after all. Please, Big Bro? How'd you clean Rainbow Rita's roof when you do this chore?
Actually, Mr. Dazzle always helps me do the roof.
Oh!
Even big brother pugs are too little for some things, Chipolata. Tell you what, though. When I buy my sky-high super rocket, we can shoot up in it and clean the roof together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Good thinking, Potato. That's how I'll do it. I've got a great idea, Spud. Will you help me, please? Ready? We'll be okay, Potato. You and me.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Whoa! It worked! Now I can clean Rainbow Rita's roof.
Go, Chipster! Whoop, whoop!
What's going on? Oh, Chip.
Hey, what's going on? Chip, what's a little thing like you doing all the way up there?
I'm finishing my chore, Papa.
You must come down now, Chippy Pip. You should not be up there, ever.
Stand back. Happyton Puggy Police to the rescue.
Oh, my brave hubby. What a hero.
Whoa! My little Chip, you've done a puggy good job up here. Whoa! Everyone, my little Chiplet has successfully completed her first chore. Whoa, no.
Someone get those silly bugs down safely, please.
Well, little Chip, Rainbow Rita is beautifully clean.
Oh, she is. She's all back to her razzly-dazzly rainbow self thanks to you.
Spud helped me.
We know. So we want to thank you both.
Yeah, and we thought about giving you allowance money to share. But then we heard you both wanted one of these.
A sky-high super rocket? Thank you! Thank you! Let's go play! Thanks! Ready, steady, blast off! Yes! I'm next! Oh! Heidi. Hi, I'm Chip.
Well, hi, Chip. I'm Amanda, and this is Nico. He's 4.
I'm 4 as well, and I live right there.
Hello, new neighbors. A big puggy welcome to Welcome Walk.
Hello there.
Are you moving in next door to me?
Yes.
Great. Nico, do you want to come and play with us? We've got a new sky-high super rocket.
Oh, well, we're not moving into our new house officially until later this week.
Maybe I can play with Chip this weekend, Mommy.
Sure, this weekend.
See you then, Nico. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, Potato, I think I've made a new panda friend. Shh. I Puggy love you, Potato.
Lights out now, Chippity Chip.
Oh, just 5 more minutes. Pleasey, squeezy, Puggy, pleasey.
Oh, not tonight, Chip. It's late. Hugs and kisses and lights out now, please, Chip. Sleepy Puggy, sleepy snooze. Sleepy Puggy, snore. Sleepy Puggy, sleepy snooze. Sleepy Puggy, snore. Hugs and kisses, everyone.
Hugs and kisses, everyone.